In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard. In my case, it's default keyboard called Celia. When you're ready, tap on this icon at the top left corner of it. Select theme over here and tap on the best one for you to apply it. When you're ready, just go back. As you can see, after that, theme of mine has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, you can always go into App Gallery and download Microsoft SwiftK AI Keyboard. When it's ready, launch it. Then to use it, you need to set it up as your new default one. To do that, sign in or hit Not Now. Tap on wherever you want to in the pop-up. Then choose Microsoft SwiftK in this pop-up here and select Themes. Now it's time to tap on Gallery or Yours at the top. Tap on one of those and go back. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, go back to the same settings and tap on Customized at the top right corner. Then hit Start. Tap on Add Image over here and pick one of your photos to set it up as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select one of those options at the bottom left corner if you want to adjust it using those sliders. Then click on Sun icon at the bottom left corner to adjust the background darkness. And when you're ready, hit Done at the top right corner. Then manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And when you're finished, hit Save also at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!